Hi lovelies, welcome back to my kitchen. On the menu, we have coconut turmeric rice recipe. Yes, this rice is yellow in color with a delicious flavor of coconut milk and of course, turmeric. Before I start cooking, allow me to quickly show y'all the ingredients I will use for this delicious recipe. I will start off with cooking the mincemeat. In my wok, I just added a small portion of unsalted butter and will go in with the mincemeat. This lean beef steak mince has 5% of fat. While cooking the mincemeat, it will release juices. That's the fat. Spoon out the juices from your pot and continue cooking the mincemeat. Cook this for about 6 to 8 minutes on medium-high heat. So, as you can see, the mincemeat is cooked through. Let's set it aside for later use. In my wok, I will add a bit of olive oil. Once the oil becomes hot, I will go in with 3 diced shallots for a sweet flavor. In case you don't have shallots, it's fine. Work with any other onion you have available. Saute this for a minute on medium-high heat. For this recipe, I am working with fresh ingredients. So I just added 2 chopped scotch bonnet peppers and 5 chopped garlic cloves. Saute this for 2 minutes, still on medium-high heat. Usually, scallions are used as garnish. For this recipe, I am going to use 2 of them. Half just went in the wok and the other half will be used as garnish. The star ingredient for this recipe is the turmeric powder. I just added 1 teaspoon of it. What I'm doing right now is to burn this. Burn for 20 to 30 seconds. This helps to release the flavors and color for this recipe. After burning, I will go in with 3 cups of fragrant rice. Use any other rice of your choice. So, what I'm doing right now is to toast the rice. This process helps to add flavor to the rice and prevents the rice from sticking to one another. Once each grain of the rice is well coated with the turmeric powder, I will go ahead and add 1 can of coconut milk instead of using just water. The use of the coconut milk will add creaminess to the rice. If you haven't cooked your rice with coconut milk before, kindly give it a try. For taste, I will add salt. Then I will stir once again. Allow the rice to cook for about 5 minutes on medium heat. After a few minutes, this is how the rice will look like. At this point, all you need to do is to add a bit of water and stir till it's well combined. Turn the heat to low and cook for 10 minutes. I will quickly check on the rice to ensure each grain of the rice is cooked through. Cover it with a baking paper or clean cloth and a lid to let the steam to cook the rice through for about 5 to 7 minutes. After 5 or 7 minutes, the rice should be cooked through. Just look at the beautiful outcome of this rice. At this point, it's ready to be served. I am going to add other ingredients, okay? So here I have my minced meat, which I set aside. Thank you all for the continuous support. It's much appreciated. And if you haven't subscribed yet, kindly do so. After adding the minced meat, let's go ahead and add the carrots. This is 1 chopped carrot. It's firm, and so I will cover the wok with a lid so the heat of the rice softens the carrots. Cover it for 2 to 3 minutes. To season the rice, I will use 2 shrimp cubes and will mix till it's well combined. You can use any other seasonings of your choice. I also have a bit of sweet corns, which I just added. Use any veggies of your choice for this recipe. And if you don't like veggies, you can still make this recipe delicious without veggies. So I had to add 1 more shrimp cube to season the rice. And I just added 1 chopped green bell pepper. The colors for this recipe is so beautiful. For more flavor, I just went in with half a teaspoon of curry powder. This is optional to use, okay? And then I will stir till it's well combined. At this point, I will go ahead and add my red sliced onion and the remaining of the scallions for garnish. Just look at the colors of this recipe. Isn't it gorgeous? And of course, delicious. Food is ready and it's time to plate. I hope you enjoyed this video. Once again, thank you all for the support. Kindly like, comment, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you and stay blessed.